Oh look, a screwdriver and a pencil. I know, big concepts. Do your best not to poke your own eyes out while you gather these very basic items. Grab that pencil. No, don't eat it. Mark the spot for the wall anchor. If you mess this up, your door is going to lean like the Tower of Pisa, and it will be entirely your fault. Here's a bracket. It goes on the wall. Try to use the screw provided, unless you want your furniture to tip over and crush your spirit, or something more expensive. Twist it in. I said twist, not force it with the fury of 1,000 failed relationships. If you strip this screw, just throw the whole house away. These plates hold the door. They go on the frame. If you put them on upside down, don't come crying to the comment section. It's clearly marked. Now the hinges go on the door itself. Don't look so confused, it's just 2 screws. Even you should be able to handle this without calling a professional. Click the door onto the plates. If it doesn't click, you're doing it wrong. Just line it up and pray your aim is better than your assembly skills. Add the bumpers and the knob. Congratulations, you managed to assemble a door without setting the room on fire. Use the adjustment screws to fix your terrible alignment job.